Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, and today in this video I am going to film this look using the Juvia palette. As you can see here, I'm gonna be using the Zulu palette, this one right here, the Zulu palette, and the magic palette. If you guys want to know how I got this beautiful pigmented, brilliant, like colorful look, please keep on watching, ladies. I'm going to do my face first. I'm gonna apply my foundation before I do my eyeshadows. So to begin, I'm going to use the Dr. Brent primer. This is it right here. I love this primer, guys. You don't understand. Primer is so good, and I love, oh my god, it smells so good too. And when I use that primer, I feel like my foundation looks completely different. That's one of the reasons I'm using this primer today, because it is an amazing primer. It's expensive, but it's worth it. And next, I'm going to use this foundation from MAC, and this is the Studio Fix Solid foundation. I love this foundation. To be honest, this is one of my favorite foundation right now. I love it so much. And then I'm gonna use my beauty sponge from Mikasa and apply it all over my face. Foundation is amazing. Like, until I found another good foundation, maybe the NARS. I think I'm gonna try to use the NARS. I'm gonna get it and see if I'm gonna like it as much as I like this foundation, because right now this foundation is just everything. And one of the reasons I like this foundation is because it's not too cakey, you know? It's beautiful. That's just it. I love it. It's not too cakey. The last time I tried to use the Wet n Wild foundation, although everybody said it's a really good one, I tried to use it. I didn't really like it because I feel like my face was a little too cakey. And this one is just lightweight, and then that's what makes a good foundation. I think a lightweight foundation and having enough coverage are the most important thing in a foundation, and this has that. And next, I am going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids as well, because you guys know I'm going to do my shadows, so I'm gonna prime them now and set them. Then we're gonna start doing the shadows. Then use the same sponge, blend it. Guess what, guys? Today we are going to use the Juvia's Place palette. This is the Zulu palette right here. The Zulu palette and the Magic palette. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this palette. I'm gonna show you how they look. Oh, look at this baby right here. So beautiful. Look at this. So pretty. And I'm gonna just try to swatch some of them for you, just so that you can see. Oh my god, look. The pigmentation in this is illegal. This shouldn't be legal. This is way too pigmented. Oh, look. I'm in love. Look. This is just beautiful. Now we're gonna take the Magic palette. Oh, I'm in love with these palettes. Oh my god. If you do not have one of these palettes, you need to go get yourself one, because these, I'm not even lying, are just amazing. And I bought these myself. It's not like I am paid to do this tutorial. Alright, the first palette I'm going to use is the Magic palette by Juvia's Place. And I'm going to use one of my BH Cosmetics brush. I'm gonna go with this shade right here. And the name of this shade is Nana. And I'm gonna apply this as my transition color. Today I'm gonna go for a really, really bright look, because these nudes, I'm tired of them. It's about time to add some color, darling. Guys, I had to go back and get my eyeshadow shield, because for this look today, I'm trying to get it as perfect as possible. And these, I got them off Amazon for like $10, I think. And then there's like, maybe, alright, this is the box right here. I don't know how many I have in these. Right here. And as I said, I'm using the shade Nana, and I'm gonna apply this all over my crease as my transition color. And next, I'm going to use a smaller blending brush, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, this orangey shade right here. And I'm gonna apply the shade precisely on the crease. And the name of the shade is Zakia. The Zulu palette, I'm gonna use this shade, this bright yellow shade, and I'm gonna try to go over it on the outside, like just to, like, you know, make it look nice. I don't want any harsh lines, so I'm gonna go like outside right here with this. I'm gonna do my best to repeat the same process on the other eye. And the reason I use the yellow is because it helps me with the harsh line from the outside, and it's gonna make the transition go smoother and more beautiful. And now I'm gonna use that shade here as well from the Zulu palette, that orangey shade. I'm gonna apply it on the crease, tap the extra, and we're gonna keep it on the outer corner as well. And now I'm gonna cut my crease, and I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and it's not gonna be a full cut crease. I'm gonna cut it halfway through because I'm gonna leave the outer corner with the same shade I have on it right now. And I'm gonna do the same for the other side, and I'm using a really flat small brush. And now I'm going to use that beautiful shade, and the name for the shade is Juvia. I'm gonna start applying it in the inner corner. I think I'm gonna take this shade right here from the Zulu palette and apply it in the middle to create an ombre look. We don't want everything to look like we got 3 different colors on top of each other, so I'm gonna go back to the darkest shade that I have in the outer corner right here, which is the Zakia, and I'm gonna try to blend everything out together so that it doesn't look like, okay, shade 1, 2, and 3, and then they just like have a bunch of harsh lines. We just want to blend them in all together, and then gonna have that perfect. I'm gonna blend this just a little bit as well because I can see harsh lines, you know. This is the look for the eyeshadow, and now I'm going to try to create my wing liner. And the stuff I'm going to use this gel liner from L'Oreal, and I'm gonna use my angle brush. Now I'm using the Air Sponge powder just to set my face. We're not gonna bake, we're just setting everything. And now I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. Apply this on my jawline. And I'm going to use my contour brush. And now I'm going to use a smaller brush in order to blend my nose contour, because we want it to be like defined and beautiful. No harsh line, we do not want any harsh line. And now I'm going to use the Naked palette to highlight my face. Whew, I love this palette, girls. Oh my god, look, I have so many highlights. I don't even know which one to use right now. But you know what, I'm gonna mix them up. I mix all of them together to create a perfect shade for me. Ooh, mix all of them, guys, all 6 of them. Oh my lord, found myself, boo boo. I just found myself. I am in love. And now I am going to use, for my lips, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I actually bought this, guys, at TJ Maxx. Oh my god, these lipsticks are expensive, usually $20, and I got these on sale at TJ Maxx. This and 3 more that I got separately, and each one of them were like $6.99, and they're usually $20 and up. So alright, so I'm going to use that shade. And now I'm going back to my Juvia's Place palette, darling, and I'm going to highlight under my eyes. This is the final look. If you like it, please let me know. Please subscribe, like, and comment, and please tell me what you want to see next with this palette. This is a beautiful palette. I love these colors. Look at my eyes, so beautiful and pigmented and amazing. So please, if you want to see anything else on my channel, let me know. This is the final look, as I said. And deuces, see you next time on my next video. Bye bye, I love you. Mwah.